Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and today's video will unable to connect your Facebook with your Call of Duty mobile, how you can fix that. So it's a very simple step. The first thing that you should do is log out of your Call of Duty mobile. So click on the settings option at the top right hand side corner, then just simply go to user settings and log out of your game. After doing that, just simply go back to your home screen and clear the cache file of the game. So go back to home screen, then just simply long press on the app and go to app info. And right away, just simply click on clear data, then clear cache, then click on OK. Now, the next thing that you should do is check for any updates, if there are any, on your Play Store or App Store. Then do the same thing with your Facebook application. Log out of your Facebook and clear the cache file of your Facebook application, and then log back in for both of the applications, and after that, it should work perfectly. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to fix the link issue in Call of Duty Mobile. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.